Hi there, on this video we're going to see how you can use or utilize Eddyter for your blog section if you have any blog section which is there on your web application. So this is how you can do it. Either your project have like React, Next, Vue, Svelte. So like we covering a lot of technologies these days. So if you fall in that and you are good to use Eddyter, and this is the one use case. So like this is the blog section. So I'll do one thing. I'll just go back to the admin and we'll create one blog here. So let's say we'll create the blog as so over the content section over here. If let's say I'll copy some content, let's say if I copy some content, let's say this is the content which I'm trying to copy. I'll just use okay. So for the content, if I just paste this content over here, you can see this is how that shows up. And even though if I have more things to add, so this is how that would be shown there on the front. So I'll keep this image, no problem on that. Tags AI and featured story, we can mark it as featured and just publish the post there. So it's robots and AI. I'll just go back to the site here, blog section, robots and AI we created. So this is how your text starts to show up there. So you can see the difference. Now we will go back to the admin again. We'll create one more section. Now if I'll just create one more over here, it will name it as robot and AI with Eddyter. So I'll instead of this normal text area, we'll replace this section with Eddyter. Okay, so now we have Eddyter successfully installed over here. So this is where we have our Eddyter, and now we'll be using to write up the content here. So this is robot. It's robot with AI, and I'll just name it as Eddyter. Exert. I'll just copy and paste this, or I'll paste this rather on the sixth section, and then I'll just copy and paste, copy this content here, and then paste the content right over here. So you can see this is how it shows and renders on this, where we had copied this part. Now if I'll just go and enter this one and see if we copy some of the content up to here and paste this content here as well. So this is how that shows or renders here on via Eddyter. So what we'll do, we'll just publish this post. This is all good. I'll just make this one as featured and publish the post. So now we have this post, and now we'll just visit the site to see if that works good or not. And over here we'll go to the blog section, and this is what we just created with Eddyter. So if we just open that part, you can see this is how the section renders up. So the importance of using Eddyter is you do not have to worry about the rendering of the text, because this is actually handled by the Eddyter itself. So the content that you are pasting and doing over there, it's all there. Even though if I'll just go back to the admin for once, blog, and edit this once again. So let's add one image over here and remove this first half up to here, and rather we'll just add one image in between. So let's say we'll go over here and we'll copy this image. So I'm pasting this image over here. So now the image is over here. You can see, like, you can just right and left align this image, and also if you want, you can create one image with the AI as well. So let's say if I just go there and create me an image of a robot cleaning the city. I'll use the default model, which is OpenAI over here. So here we have our image, which is robot cleaning up the city, and you can also re-render this image based on what you want to change over the image. You can do that part too. So over the AI images that you're creating, you also get the leverage or the option for getting the amendments done with the AI itself by redefining it. So that's there. So, and if I just go and save the changes and check back on the live site for blogs, running this up, so you can see like this is our post over there, which looks like a lot richer as compared to what we had earlier with the normal text. So if you're running any blogs, news, website, articles, vlogs, anything that requires a rich content to be there for your users to view at, so this is the right tool that can help you not to waste your time on editing and writing up the content. So it just helps you out of the box. You just install, integrate it within the 5-10 minutes, and then it's all good to start utilizing it. This is all on this video. I'll catch you on the next video with more use cases where you can utilize Eddyter. Thank you.